massive fight has now started over the Bharat Jodo Yatra that has crossed over 100 days. As the Yatra entered its Haryana leg today, Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandavia wrote a letter to Congress MP Rahul Gandhi and Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot asking that the Yatra follow COVID guidelines or be postponed. Following this, the Congress has called the letter nothing more than an attempt to stop a successful Yatra because it's making the BJP nervous. To that, the Health Minister's response is, does the Congress deserve and expect special treatment when it comes to following COVID-appropriate behavior? First up, listen in.
MP ने मुझे पत्र लिखा था कि राजस्थान में भारत जोड़ो यात्रा में गए हुए कई लोगों को कोविड पॉजिटिव पाया गया है। हिमाचल के सम्मानीय मुख्यमंत्री जी पर भी भारत जोड़ो यात्रा में गए थे, उसके बाद उसमें भी कोविड पॉजिटिव पाया गया। लेकिन कोई खास फैमिली के प्रोटेक्शन में आके एक देश के हेल्थ मिनिस्टर अपना दायित्व अदा करता हो, कोविड प्रोटोकॉल का पालन करके कोविड ना फैले उसके लिए कोई मार्गदर्शक सूचना जारी करे। हम खास लोगों को कैसे क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते, यही उसकी मानसिकता हो तो उसका तो मेरे पास कोई जवाब नहीं। लेकिन आज सुबह से मैं देख रहा हूं जिस तरह से मुझे कोट करके कोविड के संदर्भ में मुझे क्वेश्चंस कर रहे हैं। आपने ऐसी चिट्ठी नहीं लिखनी चाहिए, क्यों लिखा? मैं भारत सरकार का हेल्थ मिनिस्टर होने के नाते मेरा दायित्व है कि देश में कोविड ना फैले।
The minister has said that he's written these letters only because COVID violations were flagged up to him by Rajasthan MPs. The rising COVID cases in neighbouring China, remember, is already a worry, and the government doesn't want to risk an outbreak in India because of large gatherings. However, the Congress has pointed out that so far India hasn't declared COVID a public health emergency. And why are such instructions being given only to one party? Why are leaders of the BJP roaming around freely in large gatherings? The back and forth naturally has lent itself to the latest flashpoint between the two parties.
गांधी जी की भारत जोड़ो यात्रा और क्यों कोरोना फैल रहा है तो इसलिए आप इनको पाबंद करें कि ये कोरोना किस प्रकार से यात्रा कर रहे हैं। और तो मनसुख जी जो है उसी 20 तारीख को पत्र लिख रहे राहुल गांधी जी को, कल ही लिख रहे लेटर। अभी हमारे पास तो सोशल मीडिया में आया है कि आप ये सब प्रिकॉशन कीजिएगा, मास्क की भी, डिस्टेंसिंग की भी, क्वारंटाइन करने की भी। ये बुखलाहट का एक बड़ा नमूना सामना है देश के सामने।
क्या एक परिवार सब प्रोटोकॉल से ऊपर है? ये तो मैं मान सकता हूं कि आज भी गांधी परिवार में कांग्रेस के राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष को ज़्यादा एक परिवार को मान्यता मिलती है, लेकिन देश का प्रोटोकॉल, कोविड का प्रोटोकॉल तो उनको फॉलो करना पड़ेगा। आखिर क्या कारण है कि आज भी एक पार्टी, एक राजनीतिक दल एक परिवार तक अपने आप को सीमित रखता है और उसके लिए सारे प्रोटोकॉल तोड़ने के लिए भी तैयार हो?
The letter written by the health minister to Mr. Rahul Gandhi and Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge ji cites another letter written to the health minister by an MP, a BJP MP called P.P. Chaudhary from Rajasthan. We are wondering why a similar letter was not sent to the president of the BJP in Rajasthan take place, if Jan Akrosh Yatra can take place, if the BJP Yatra in Karnataka can take place, if there is no mask compulsory in your air service travel, why are you picking up on Rahul Gandhi and Bharat Jodo Yatra is our question. Please announce the COVID protocol, we'll all follow the COVID protocol.
कृपया करके जो कोविड की गाइडलाइंस है सुनिश्चित करें कि उसका पालन हो। यह सुनिश्चित करें कि मास्क और सैनिटाइजर हो वहां पे जो भी व्यक्ति उस यात्रा में आता है। प्रक्रिया और प्रणाली में यह सुनिश्चित करें कि जो व्यक्ति इस यात्रा में सम्मिलित होगा वो फुली वैक्सीनेटेड हो। जो कोविड को मोविड बुलाती है तो आज मैं इतना ही कहूंगा, राहुल जी, बी राहुल नॉट रोविड। एक भारतीय नागरिक की जान पे खतरा बनाए तो क्या यह चिंताजनक नहीं? तो यही कहूंगा कि कुछ मुद्दे राजनीति से ऊपर होते हैं और कांग्रेस पार्टी को अपनी जिम्मेदारी का एहसास होना चाहिए।
Well, sources say that COVID-19 positive diagnosis of Himachal Pradesh's newly elected Chief Minister Sukhwinder Singh Sukh, who after participating in the Rajasthan leg of the Yatra and the building up of a massive COVID-19 wave in China, was some of the reasons behind the letters of warning. But in a subsequent statement, Congress Communication Chief Jairam Ramesh says BJP MPs complained about the Yatra out of spite and also raised the issue of BJP election campaigns in Gujarat and Himachal, which saw large crowds. The question though is, India's COVID fight, is it getting infected with politics? So let's quickly open this up. We have Anila Singh of the BJP with us. Also with us is R. Rajagopalan, senior journalist, apart from political analyst George Kurian, and with me in the studios, political analyst Dushan Nagar. But before I take in a word from all of you, let me quickly play responses coming in, reactions coming in, and then I'll come to you.
कोई ऐसी पार्टी नॉन बीजेपी नॉन एनडीए नहीं है जो इसमें शामिल नहीं हुई। एक एक व्यक्ति, एक एक पार्टी यहाँ पर शरीक थे। नंबर 2, चीन पे यस नो सही गलत बाद की बात है। आप चर्चा से भाग रहे हैं, चर्चा की मांग है, डिस्कशन की मांग है। हर पार्टी ने यहाँ खड़े हुए, और मैं वापस दोहरा रहा हूँ, सामूहिक रूप से हर नॉन बीजेपी नॉन एनडीए पार्टी ने ये अभी गांधी स्टैचू के सामने ये मांग की है। नेहरू से लेके वाजपेयी तक कोई ऐसे प्रधानमंत्री नहीं हैं जिन्होंने मांग न की हो, और अगर मांग हुई है तो उसके बारे में स्वीकारिता न दी हो।
BJP is not getting tremendous support which Rahul Gandhi ji is getting, but there was no protocol. Other programs of Bharatiya Janata Party, Prime Minister, Ministers programs are going on. There is no protocol. I am a parliamentarian. I go to parliament. There is no mask, no protocol in parliament. So for Rahul Gandhi ji is really, because people support is there, BJP is misusing the power, and at least on the name of COVID, they are doing this. It's a shame. In past, they didn't follow any protocol, and that's why people have suffered during COVID.
राहुल गांधी जी के बारे में मैं ज़्यादा टिप्पणी नहीं करना चाहता हूं, क्योंकि वो बहुत ही इनडिसिप्लिन और अनप्रेडिक्टेबल टाइप का नेता है, जो कुछ भी बोल देते हैं, कुछ भी शब्दों का इस्तेमाल करते हैं। तो ये उसके लिए भी शोभा नहीं देते, देश के लिए भी।
Let me quickly begin by asking Ms. Anila Singh, spokesperson of the BJP, this. And that's a question that has today been asked by Pawan Kheda of the Congress Party. Anila Singh, though we do know that the warning that has been shot off by the health minister comes in the wake of what's happening in China and several other countries like Japan, like the United States, the B7 Omicron subvariant is highly transmissible, it's highly infectious. In that case, we must all be very, very careful. That said, Pawan Khera says that these protocols must be implemented for all. These letters of warning should be sent out to BJP units in Karnataka and Rajasthan as well. A Jan Akrosh rally is underway in both the states. Why only shoot off this letter to Rahul Gandhi and Ashok Gehlot?
My Ram Ram to everyone. And this is very irresponsible behavior of Congress party, and especially if I talk about Rahul Gandhi ji. I mean, it is a simple appeal. An appeal via letter. They should have entertained it. Our responsible statement should have come from Congress party. Okay, fine, we'll try to implement it as much as possible. It was a responsible statement. But instead of saying this, they started politicizing it. They started playing victim card. And they started saying that it is only for Bharat Jodo Yatra. Though we very well know, on the request of one of the member of parliament from Rajasthan, a health minister of our country, he issued this letter because many people who had participated in Bharat Jodo Yatra, when they came back to the state, Rajasthan state, they were found infected of coronavirus. So it was a simple appeal. A responsible response should have been come from Congress party and the leadership. But instead of that, they said, okay, fine, कुछ होता है तो होने दो वाला style. We very well हुआ तो हुआ. We very well remember the statement which was given by Rahul Gandhi during the tenure of
so
bad
you're saying
phase of coronavirus.
If there were signs that were picked up from Rajasthan or Karnataka, Ms. Anila Singh, with regards to any sort of infections reported, by anyone, from anyone who was in attendance of the Jan Akrosh rally, then such letter would have been sent out to the BJP units in Karnataka and Rajasthan as well. Is that what you're saying?
See, whether we talk about Jan Akrosh rally or whether we talk about Bharat Jodo Yatra, I think everybody has to follow it because if there is surge in cases in Rajasthan, then definitely everybody has to follow the Corona protocol. It is just an appeal. It is up to the people or the political parties whether they want to follow it or not. If they are not going to follow it, then they have to take the responsibility if there is surge in cases. It is an appeal.
But you're saying the BJP
Nobody
is also willing to
anything.
take that responsibility.
You know it very well.
Absolutely, right. You're saying the BJP is also ready to take that responsibility if the situation demands so.
Are you saying something to me?
Yeah, I was just meaning to ask you of a confirmation that you're giving us that the BJP is also ready to take that responsibility in case cases are reported within the BJP camp in Rajasthan, let's say.
See, for us, nation is first. Politics is not first for us, but for Congress party, politics is first. That is why they are having lots of problem with this appeal.
Okay.
Bharatiya Janata Party definitely is going to follow whatever is required, and if the appeal is being made or the instructions are given by the health ministry, BJP is going to follow that. We know it very well. 4 cases of BF7 coronavirus has already been found in
Ms.
India.
Anila Singh is
2
that
from Gujarat and 2
none
from
such
elsewhere.
letter has been
And
sent
this is
out
a very
for the BJP cadres on ground, and that's why the complaint coming in from the Congress side. But since you've given out a reaction and you've said that this is in the interest of the nation, let me ask George Kurian this. Mr. George Kurian, for 100 odd days, the Bharat Jodo Yatra was underway in different parts of the country. No such letter was written earlier on. And now that there are signs that need to be picked upon, there is a situation ahead of us wherein we need to be very, very careful. Why then politicize something that is of concern to all of us? It's got nothing to do with the BJP or the Congress. The health minister said it in as many words that there are MPs in Rajasthan who signaled this warning of how certain people who participated in Rajasthan in the Bharat Jodo Yatra were infected with COVID-19, including the Himachal Pradesh Chief Minister Sukhvinder Sukhu. And that's exactly why comes the need to issue this kind of a letter, statement, warning, whatever you may call it. But Mr. Rajagopalan, do you in a sense think that the fact that this letter has been just sent out to Rahul Gandhi and to Ashok Gehlot has given an ammunition to the Congress to say once again what they've been saying all this while, all through the Bharat Jodo Yatra, that it has in fact rattled the BJP. It's made the BJP nervous, especially its success rate.
No one is getting nervous. No one is getting, perturbed. My understanding is the officials of the government of India have written a letter to all the state governments yesterday morning. And this letter by the health minister was sent to Rahul Gandhi because he is the convener of the Bharat Jodo Yatra. And the chief minister should take the responsibility because the health secretary, Mr. Bhushan, has written to all the chief secretaries yesterday morning itself, to all the chief secretaries. What is the great gungo in that? Second thing, Sukhvinder Singh Sukhu, who is the chief minister of Himachal Pradesh, who was to expand the cabinet today, he cancelled it, and the even oath-taking ceremony is also cancelled because Sukhu was afraid that his fellow MLA should not get inflicted by corona. Simple as that. Second thing, yesterday I learned from Rajasthan newspapers, there are 24 yatris of Bharat Jodo Yatra also got corona in Jaipur. That is why the BJP MP wrote it. Second thing, why till today there is no photograph of
so you're saying address the issue at hand. If there are signs that there have been infections of people attending the Bharat Jodo Yatra, then why get into this kind of politics? Dushan Nagarji, thank you for waiting patiently. what would you say? Because the fact remains, politics can be played thereafter, later on, sir. The fact remains that here is a variant, sub-variant, that is extremely dangerous in nature. We should act on it first, instead infect it with politics.
देखिए, तो फिर हम अगर कोविड इमरजेंसी है और खतरा बड़ा है, तो सबसे पहले तो कोविड प्रोटोकॉल लोकसभा और राज्यसभा में लागू होना चाहिए, संसद में लागू होना चाहिए, देश की राजधानी दिल्ली में लागू होना चाहिए, पूरे लुटियंस में लागू होना चाहिए।
बट सर उस दिन का इंतजार क्यों करें हम?
नहीं, बिल्कुल आप उस दिन का इंतजार क्यों करें, तो पूरे देश में लागू करिए। भारतीय जनता पार्टी की जन आक्रोश यात्रा चल रही है, भारतीय जनता पार्टी की रैलियां चल रही हैं, भारतीय जनता पार्टी का कोई प्रोग्राम नहीं रुकेगा। सिर्फ भारत जोड़ो यात्रा को आप लोगों ने, इन लोगों ने, भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने टारगेट करने के लिए चुना है। क्यों चुना है? क्योंकि 3000 किलोमीटर की ये यात्रा जिसने दक्षिण से उत्तर को जोड़ा है, जिसमें अपार जन समर्थन मिल रहा है, जिसकी लोकप्रियता से ये लोग घबरा गए हैं, अब इस प्रकार के हथकंडे अपना रहे हैं। शुरू में कह रहे थे हिंदी बेल्ट में आएगी, उत्तर भारत में आएगी तो इसको वैसी सफलता नहीं मिलेगी। अब राजस्थान में जो अपार जन समूह आया है उससे भारतीय जनता पार्टी
चलिए सफलता मिली है, इसलिए आप कह रहे हैं कि भाजपा बौखला गई है। बट द फैक्ट इज दुष्यंत नागर जी, मास्क पहनने के लिए, वैक्सीनेशन चेक करने के लिए सिर्फ ये सब चीजें बोली गई है इस लेटर में, और बोला गया है अगर ये नहीं फॉलो कर सकते तो पोस्टपोन कर दीजिए। ऑलराइट, द कांग्रेस इज रेजिंग क्वेश्चंस एज टू व्हाई these instructions are being sent out only to the Congress party workers, to the Congress party supporters who are participating in the Bharat Jodo Yatra. That's the complaint coming in from Congress's end. Thank you for joining us, gentlemen. Anila Singh, with your perspective, but this